eyes. We're gonna fix this. I am gonna try and get ready in the next 20 minutes at the max because मुझे बहुत दूर जाना है, बहुत ज़्यादा दूर, and I'm not looking forward to the traffic. But my hair is done, so I think that is one win already. I'm gonna do very simple makeup, just something fun because it's a cocktail night. Okay, let's go. Just gonna start with some toner. Hydration is so important. I love this moisturizer and it's so great for my skin, especially if you have dry skin. Starting with base. They say it's just for the eye, but I can put it everywhere. I mean, if it's safe enough for your eye, it's safe enough for your face, right? None of my makeup is complete without the Halo Glow liquid filter from e.l.f. It's life-changing. It doesn't have too much coverage, but it gives a beautiful glow. Now let's get into the base, which is the foundation and concealer. I actually really like the one from Luar. What I'm gonna do is just a little bit of a pump, and I'm gonna go ahead with my, again, just a bit, because my skin has been so dry thanks to all the pollution. Gonna just mix it up, and this is where the coverage begins. Don't forget to put it all the way down to your neck. Blend, 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 blend. I have this nasty ass freaking pimple. Not very happy with this. So this is a little bit brighter than my natural shade, but it settles down really beautifully, so I don't really mind it. I love the Lakmē High Matte Concealer. It's changed my life for the better. Okay, just gonna take a little bit under the eyes. Okay, for some reason, my camera has flipped and I'm very confused as to why that has happened. See, I'm so confused, jeez. Just gonna add a bit of contour, like very slight. Not really big on the whole contour. So I can't do it with this. I feel like I'm already drunk because of this. Okay. Quickly just gonna set everything. This is like such a, even though I saw this, I'm quite happy with the way this has turned out. My dress is black and I have gold elements, so I'm just gonna do a really quick smoky eye. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead with this. Oh, this. And I like all the golds, but I think this is really nice. It's the yellowish gold of sorts. Also, ideally, a lot of people first put like concealer, but as you can see, I'm neither a pro and nor do I have the patience for it. So I just like make a V and I kind of keep pulling it out. Darker color here before I add in the black. I'm just gonna go around and around and just do that. Now I'm gonna take the black shade from here. Okay. Oh my god, it's 8:15. Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh my god! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
Okay. Almost done actually. Okay, just dab, dab, dab. That's for hooded eyes. We're gonna fix this. Just let me first deposit all the colors. Shit, why did I have to try this when I had no time? Of course. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my brush. I'm just gonna, whatever harsh edges are there, just gonna blend. Okay. And just keep going like in choto circles at the edges. Honestly, I'm not hating it at all. I think it's looking nice and dramatic. Okay, I fixed my face, looks great. I'm just gonna take a little bit of icon and like, ooh, nice. Just do that. I need to get ready off camera. I'm late.
हाँ ठीक है कोई बात नहीं कितना टाइम लगेगा 9 बजे तक निकल जाएगी
हाँ, in the next 15 minutes.
ठीक है डन
Are you ready?
हाँ मैं भी ऑलमोस्ट रेडी हूँ
Show?
ऑलमोस्ट रेडी हूँ मतलब अभी नहाने जा रहा हूँ
अभी नहाने जाना है at 8:30.
मैं तो तेरे से पहले रेडी हो जाऊंगा भाई मैंने तेरे को 2 बार फोन इसीलिए किया कि तुम पीटीएम पूछने के लिए
Thanks. Love you.
What was I stressing out for? Okay, this is the start of the moment.
Oh my God! Wow!
Wow. I need to learn how to do my hair. It would be game freaking over. I'm keeping the jewelry really simple, adding in these little pearl details, especially with the pearls. Okay. So this is the final look. I bought this dress to wear to prom. I never got to wear it to prom. I never went to prom. So I'm like, you can't even see the dress, but it's a moment. It is. It's a full moment. Okay, bye.